Right, welcome to the Abdullah Faslin Learning Management System, our website. So this is the website that you have to log in order to join for our classes. So the number one step is that you have to register for the website. So when you register, that you should give the correct details. It's a very simple registration process. The first name, the last name, and then the WhatsApp number. You have to select your district and then your school, and you have to give a proper address because this can be used for the purpose of posting the tutes, and then your date of birth, and then a valid email address. So along with that, you have to select your device type. Then you can go for the next step and give a username. For example, if your name is Ahmad, then AHMAD123, you should give a number, and then you can put a something like this as a username, and you should remember this when logging in later for the classes. And then you have to give a password, and you have to confirm the password over here, and then you can agree for the terms and conditions and register. So once you click the register, your registration process is successful, so that you have registered in our website for the classes. Right. So once after the registration, your number two step is joining for the classes. Now, if you go below our dashboard, all the classes are there. Now, let's think that you are a student of grade 10 history class and then grade 10 commerce class. Then you can click the pin icon under grade 10 history class in order to join for the classes. So once you click the pin icon, it will show that first you should log in. Then you can log in to our classes. Okay, so in order to log in, can you remember the username and the password that you give? It is simple. You have to give that username and the password, and then you can log in. So once you log in, again, it will be coming under this. Now you can pin the classes. Right, now you are a student of grade 10 history. So you pin the grade 10 history class, it will become a blue color icon. Then if you pin the grade 10 commerce class, it will become a blue color icon. So that is also done. Then what you should do is, there is something called logging on the right side corner. Then you have to log in after pinning. After pinning the class, that you have to log in using your details. So when you log in, this is your dashboard. This is your dashboard. So in your dashboard, it will show your grade 10 history class and then the grade 10 commerce class. But you can't join for the classes. Why? Because you should make the payment. So you should make the payment by the first week of the month, right? Before the first week class, then you can settle the payment, right? Then you can join for the classes. If you click the grade 10 history, settle the payment, then all the details will be here, and then you can select a class. So first you are making the payment for grade 10 history. So it is grade 10 history, and then you should upload the payment slip. So you can upload the payment slip. It can be a screenshot, or it can be your ATM machine receipt, right? Any receipt it is, and I'll upload just a receipt over here, and then you can, it is the month, the relevant month will be shown to you. Now you have paid for grade 10 history class, then you can submit your payment. So once you submit your payment, there will be something like this. Under grade 10 history class, your payment is pending. That means we need to approve your payment. So you have to wait for some time up until that we approve. That thereby that you have to upload the receipt sometime before the class, right? So in order to make sure that you join for the live class, then you have to make the payment for grade 10 commerce, for example. Then you select your class, grade 10 commerce, and upload a receipt. Okay, you have to upload your receipt. We will be manually checking the receipt. Okay. And then when you submit your payment, that is also done. Now it will be shown to you, right? Now it will be shown to you. All right, your payment is being pending, right? Your payment is being pending. So thereby that you have to wait for some time. And after waiting for some time, when you log in again, right? Now you are logging again after some time. Now you log in again, right? Using your username and your password. Then if you log in later, right, it will be still showed like this if we did not approve your payment. So then you have to wait for some time, and then up until that we approve. Okay, you have to wait for some time up until we approve. Then again, if you log in after that we approve, within like 4 or 5 hours, that we will be approving it. So when you log in after that, once we approved your payment, it will change into like this. you can join for the classes. For example, grade 10, our history class is on Tuesday, 7 p.m. So on Tuesday, 7 p.m., when you click this, you can join for the classes. Grade 10 commerce classes is Saturday, 6 a.m. So if you click join classes, you can join the classes, right? So after we approve your payment, your class will be active. Then you can download the documents from here. So here that I haven't uploaded anything, then you can watch the recording. So all your recordings, history class recordings within that month, you can watch it. If you have any recordings, you can watch it. So that is the way how you have to use the website. This is the way that how you have to use the website. Once after we approve the payment, you can download documents, watch the recording, and then you can join for the live classes. So make sure that you register and log into the classes, make the payment, and then after becoming active classes, you can join for the classes, right? So hope you understood. If there is any inquiries, that you can drop a message to me or our technical team. I'll be giving a number, right? Then thanks for watching this.